Hello students, let's we solve the problems of the conditional case. You know three types of conditions. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Unique solution. No solution. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. No solution. A1 upon equal to A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is also equal to C1 upon C2. So, infinitely many solution. Okay, that's the three types of solution they give. So, what types of questions asked? You know, on these topics and the next chapter, I think the fourth chapter or fifth chapter, quadratic question. From these two topics, one questions on the base of condition is always come. 2 marks or 3 marks in board examinations. What are question? Suppose that find K. थोड़ा सा लेते हैं. If kx plus 3y is equal to 6, 2x minus 6y is equal to 8. For what value of k equation give first unique solution, second no solution? Means for what value of k the equation give unique solution. So if unique solutions are given already, so you have to use a condition. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Then A1 means K, A2 means 2, B1 means 3, B2 means minus 6. Then simplify them. It's minus 2. Cross multiply. Minus 2k is not equal to 2. So k is not equal to 2 upon minus 2. K is not equal to minus 1. Means what's value of k? Don't give the answer k is not equal to minus 1. Because the question wants for what value of k. So don't leave here. Write down k belongs to all real number except -1. एक ऐसा लिखा मिल जाएगा आपको k are real number -1. So this the value of k when the equation give unique solution. If you want the equation give no solution, so find the value of k. Then write the condition. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. A1 K, A2 2, B1 3, B2 minus 6 is not equal 6 upon 8. So K is here, so you can take these two. Okay? Because you want the value of K, so why we use the not equal to sign? Then cross multiply. It's a cancel out. Minus 2k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 upon minus 2. K is equal to minus 1. Means for k is equal to minus 1, the equation gave no solution. Okay? Pause the video and note down. Take one more example. For what value of k, kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3 and 12x plus ky equal to k gives infinitely many solutions. So, solution equation kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3, 12x plus ky is equal to k. Infinitely many solution, that means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. When you write, always you have to remember, don't forget in the examination halls, k upon 12 b 3 upon k. Not write here x, only write coefficient. Okay, a1 a2 only coefficient. Many students write x y, no, only write coefficient. c1 c2 constant term. So here's the three equation 1 2 3. So you can find the value of k by taking first second or first third or second third. So let's see, first we take first second. K upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k. Cross multiply, k is y is equal to 36. So k is equal to plus minus 6. If you take second third, 3 upon k is equal to k minus 3 upon k, cross multiply, 3k is equal to k square minus 3k. Then 6k is equal to k square. Then k square minus 6k is equal to 0. K taken common. K minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. K minus 6 0. So k is equal to 6. Means here gives plus minus 6. When you take this, it gives 0 or 6. You can take also first third. So I think you take k square 12k minus 36. That's all I think. Say you get also a 6 or 0 values. So we take for what value of k. So can you write k is equal to 0 plus 6 minus 6 ऐसे? Before writing this, first you check the values of k, it's satisfy or not. You know, if this is the linear equation in two variables, you condition in this equation a1, a2, b1, b2 is not equal to 0, and the value of a1 is k. That means k is equal to 0 तो हट गया. So you can write does not exit. प्लस 6 चेक कर लेते हैं. If you write 6 here, 6 upon 12, 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. Means this is okay. Check minus 6 also. Minus 6 upon 12, minus 1 upon 2. 3 upon minus 6, minus 1 upon 2. Minus 6, minus 9 upon minus 6, that is not 1 upon 2. Means these three not equal. For k is equal to minus 6. Means k is equal to minus 6 also not exit. So value of k is equal to 6. That's your final answer. It's very tricky questions. If the question is come examinations, so at least it's give 3 marks. Might be possible for the basic, that is the 4 marks. Pause the video and note down. It's good questions. So see one more examples. For what value of a and b the equation given infinitely many solution? Equation is given. So take the first equation and the second equation. Solution infinitely many solution. Then condition 2 upon a minus b, 3 upon a plus b, 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. So we only put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 in the given conditions. Condition is infinitely many solution. Then same things, you have to take first, second, first, third or second, third. Here 3 equations are formed, but we only want 2 equations because the basic law says that if you find the 2 variables, so you have to need at least 2 equations. So we want to find the value of a and b, so we want only 2 equations. So we take first, second, then second, third. So first we take first, second, then cross multiply 3a minus 3b, 2a plus 2b, 3a minus 2a minus 3b minus 2b equal to 0, a minus 5b equal to 0. Equation number third. First, second given tha, because it's have 2 variables, so we get again the equations in the form of linear equation in 2 variables. Then we take second, third, 3a plus b, 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2, cross multiply 7a plus 7b, here 9a plus 3b minus 6, then send 6 here, minus 6 plus 6, 9a plus 3b minus 7a minus 7b. So that is, 9a plus 3b, 9a minus 7a, 2a, 3b minus 7b, minus 4b is equal to 6, 2 whole common hai, so we divide by 2, so what you get, a minus 2b is equal to 3, equation number 4th. Okay, then we want to solve these 2 equations, so then we write a minus 5b is equal to 0, equation number 3rd tha. Then that your choice, you can solve these 2 equations by substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, that your wish. So we have to solve the elimination method because it's easy to solve. Then subtract minus a plus minus, cancel out, 0 का साइन कोई चेंज होता नहीं है, that is 3, minus 2b plus 5b, that is 3b. So b is equal to 1. And the same process, when you get the value of 1 variables, you can put anywhere, put in equation third. So we get a minus 5 into 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Okay. Pause the video and note down. These are the different types of problems by solving the using the conditions.